Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Fatal Fury, City of the Wolves error code 0x0040. This error comes when players try to watch some replays. As per the reports, players get this error and are booted back to the title screen. According to our research, this is likely a known issue with the game that hasn't been resolved yet. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device. Once done, try again and check if the error still comes. If restarting doesn't help, then check if you need to update the game. If there is any pending update, install it and then try accessing the replays again. If the error still persists, then we recommend visiting the Fatal Fury official Discord server. And check if others are also facing the same issue. As well, look for any updates from the developers regarding this error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.